naturally lift your face, and it puts in collagen in your face, and it also lifts the muscles and puts circulation in your skin, does lymphatic drainage, and it really is a great method. And you just use these little cups, and I will show you how to do that in a minute. I learned this technique from a very beautiful, very young for her age looking Korean acupuncturist. And so it's very simple and easy to learn. And I think that it will really help you. I've been using this for a while now, and it just feels really good, and it makes you look good and feel good. So before I get started, I would like to ask that you like and share this video, and also please leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is apply a really good oil to your skin. Now, the one that I use is Younger Lift Gold Youth Serum, and it has rosehip seed oil, and it has camellia oil, and organic frankincense, and organic lavender, and these are all the things that are just going to lift and benefit your skin. It's very close to your skin's own sebum and so it is considered a dry oil. It's not an oily oil, so it's great for all skin types and will really benefit you just by itself. So now we're going to start with the cupping. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do some lymphatic drainage so we can get rid of some of the puffiness in your skin. So we're going to start behind your ear, and you're just going to squeeze and pop this cup. So we're going to do that 3 times, and I'm only going to do the right sides instead of doing both sides. So to save time, you can just repeat it. And then we're going to go here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go to the center and pop this out to the underneath your collarbone out to the side, and then go ahead and smooth that out. So you're going to hold on that suction and hold the suction all the way out. So then we're going to move up to the temple, and we're going to do 3 down the temple. 2, 3. And then we'll go back down and go back over this and over underneath the collarbone again. So now we're going to move to the neck. So we're just going to be doing this popping motion on the right side of the neck so that this will stimulate collagen and help tighten and firm this area. I know this is a real important area to us women. So let's, and men, so let's do a little bit of that. And then we're going to suction this, hold on to that, and hold the suction out and down. And this will help with lymphatic drainage. A lot of times as we age, what happens is we get more square right in here. And the reason for that is because the cheek starts to fall. And as that falls, the fat falls into here. And you might see people that kind of have a pouch here, and then this becomes more of a square instead of a tight jaw. So we're just going to work that. So let's, you're going to pop right in here, and then you're going to keep the suction and have it go down. And hold the suction and slide that suction down. Now we're going to continue to do the whole side of the face. And think about moving up and out. So let's just do a lot of this. We're going to go out to the jaw. We're going to go from the mouth towards the ear. We're going to get close to the nose and then go out to the side up to the temple. So once we have done this several times and we really get the circulation going, now we're going to hold so that we keep the suction and keep that suction up and to the side. And hold the suction up and out, and now you are lifting the muscle of the face. So you want to go under that cheekbone and really lift, and under here and lift, and just continue to lift that, and you actually will see a benefit right away. So you're going to do that, and now that we've come to the side, let's go up to the forehead. And you're going to do that same popping up from your brow out to your hairline and the center and out to the hairline. So after we've done that, we're going to sweep up. We're going to hold the suction up to your hairline, and from your brow to your hairline, and from the middle to your hairline. So now we have done that side. So very simple, and we're going to just move on to the next side. You can just repeat this video over on the left side. And then we're going to take the small one. So this is the small cup, and this is for little tiny lines and wrinkles that you may have. And so I'm just going to apply a little bit more oil, and I'm going to put that directly under my eye. We don't want a lot of tugging and pulling, but we do want to use the small one around all of the little lines and wrinkles that we get. So I'm going to start in the inner eye and just gently pop that on the outside. So any place that you might have bagginess, or you might have dark circles, or you might have some little lines and wrinkles, we're just going to do that popping from the inner to the outer eye. And then we're going to hold and just kind of sweep it out. Just very gently sweep it out. We don't want tugging, but just a little bit of swooping it out to the side. And then if you have some lines around your mouth, and also the nose to mouth lines, you can pop right into that and then go across it. And also the lips, and go across that. And sometimes you have little lines here, and go across that. So that's about it. It's very simple, and I think that will be really helpful. I also have a little kit, and this kit is the Younger Lift Facial Cupping Kit. And it has the Youth Gold Serum in it, and it also has the small and the large cups that we used, and instructions. And I think you'd really like this. I'm going to put it in the description box below, and I'll see you next time.